Welcome back on my channel. Alcohols, mono, di, tri or polyhydric alcohols. So, alcohol and phenol may be classified as mono, di, tri or polyhydric compounds depending on whether they contain 1, 2, 3 or many hydroxy groups respectively in their structures as given. Monohydric C2H5OH, dihydric CH2OH, single bond CH2OH, trihydric CH2OH, CH2OH, everyone having single bond. So monohydric alcohol may be further classified according to the hybridization of carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. Okay, the first one is compounds containing SC okay, OH bond. In this class of the alcohol, the OH group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group. They are further classified as follows. The first one is primary, secondary and tertiary. In these three types of alcohol, okay, see, OH group is attached to the primary, secondary and alcohol, three types of the alcohol, okay, and tertiary carbon respectively. So this is the 1 degree primary, okay, this is the 2nd degree, okay, and this is the tertiary 3rd degree. The next one, allylic alcohol. In this alcohol, the OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon adjacent to the carbon-carbon double bond, that is to an allylic carbon. For example, okay, primary, okay, CH2CH, secondary, and this is the tertiary, 1, 2, 3, 3 bond, 3, here is 2 bonds, so 2. Benzylic alcohols. In these alcohols, the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to aromatic rings. Ring, for example, is primary, okay, CH2OH, secondary, and this is tertiary. Now, allylic and benzylic alcohols may be primary, secondary or tertiary. Okay. Now, next one is compounds containing CsP2OH bond. These alcohol contain -OH group bond to a carbon-carbon double bond, that to a vinylic carbon or to aryl carbon. These alcohols are known as vinylic alcohols. Okay, so next one is vinylic alcohol, CH2 double bond CH, and here is single bond OH. So next one is phenols, mono, tri and di, tri and phenols. So this is monohydric, this is monohydric, this is also, and this is the dihydric, and this is the trihydric. If you can see OH here, OH and CH3 and OH and OH, so dihydric, and OH 3 times, so it is called trihydric. Okay, next one is ether. Ether are classified as simple or symmetrical if the alkyl or aryl group attached to the oxygen atom are same and mixed or unsymmetrical. If the two groups are different, diethyl ether C2H5O C2H6H5 is a symmetrical ether, whereas C2H5O CH3 and C2H5O C6H5 are unsymmetrical ethers. Okay, this is example and you have to solve yourself. So next one is nomenclature. The first one is alcohol. The common name of the alcohol is derived from the common name of the alkyl group and adding the word alcohol to it. For example, CH3OH is methyl alcohol. Next one is according to the IPSC system, unit 12 in 11 we have studied, the name of an alcohol is derived from the name of the alkane from which the alcohol is derived by substituting E of alkane with the suffix AOL. Okay, the position of substituents are indicated by the numerals for this. The longest carbon chain, that is parent chain, is numbered starting at the end nearest to the hydroxyl group. Okay, the position of the OH group and the other substituent are indicated by using the numbers of the carbon atoms to which these are attached. For naming polyhydric alcohols, the E of the alkane is retained and the ending OL is added. The number of OH groups is indicated by adding the multiplicative prefix di, tri, etc. before OL. The position of OH group are indicated by appropriate locates, that HO single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond OH is named as the ethane 1,2 diol. Okay, in table given. See, this is the compound, this is the common name, and this is the IPSC name. name. See, this is the methyl alcohol CH3OH, only one methyl 1 methanol, and CH3CH2 CH2. So this is N-propyl alcohol because OH is given. Okay. So next one is isopropyl, and such that N-butyl alcohol which is butane 1Al, and this is another butane 2Al, and another one we can see that CH3 single bond CH3 and CH2OH, it is called isobutyl alcohol 2-methyl propane 1AOL. Okay, so you can learn such that ethylene glycol, ethane 1,2 diol. Okay, and this is glycerol. Okay, CH2OH CHOH CH2OH starting and outside. Okay, so it will pronounce as in the IPOC name propane 1,2,3 triol. Okay, so next one, cyclic alcohol are named using the prefix cyclo and considering the OH group attached to C1. Now we can see cyclohexanol OH. So in your examination it will be just given only this one, and it will ask what will be the name. So we have to just put the value, that means name. So only this will given in examination, and it will ask what do you mean by this name of this. Okay, so 2-methyl cyclopentanol. Okay, Next one is, we will continue, phenols. The simplest hydroxy derivative of benzene is phenol. It is the common name and also accepted IPSC name. As a structure of phenol involves a benzene ring. In it substituted compounds, the term ortho 1 2 distributed, meta 1 and 3 distributed, and para 1 and 4 distributed are often used in the common names. Okay, so next one is, you will see the common name of IUPAC phenol OHC. Everyone is here. It is phenol, and this is O cresol, O cresol 2 methyl phenol, 2 methyl phenol, 2 methyl phenol. See, this is 1 2 3, so 3 methyl phenol. See, 1 2 3 4, this is 4 methyl phenol. Okay, so next one, we will do dihydroxy derivative of the benzene known as 1 2, okay, 1 3 and 1 4 benzenoidal. What we call as benzenoidal. Next one, common name and IP. This is the common name, catechol. Okay, and it will be benzene 1 and 2 diol. Benzene 1 and 2 diol. This is called resorcinol, and it is called as benzene 1 3 diol. 1 2 3, so 1 3 danol. So next one is hydroquinone or quinone. This is a common name, and this is the benzene 1 4 diol. 1 2 3 4, so that's why 1 and 4 diol. Is it? So next one is ether. Common name of the ethers are derived from the name of the alkyl aryl groups written as the separate words in the alphabetical order, and adding the word ether at the end. Example, CH3O CH2H5 is ethyl methyl ether. So we can see in the common name IPSC name of the some ether. So the common name is dimethyl ether, and IPSC name will be methoxymethane, and this is the compound CH3O CH3. Next one is C2H5O CH2H5 diethyl ether, and IPSC name is ethoxyethane. Okay, so next one is methyl N propyl, that is IPSC name is 1-methoxypropane, and these are the common name, these are the IPSC name. We can see AL, all, all. OH group.
ईथर का क्या होता है?
Yeah, ether, we are ether.
ईथर का OH रिमूव करते हैं.
Yes.
OH इसको भी रिमूव करते हैं.
Yes.
तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं है?
Not confusion. Why confusion? We will once again repeat once it completed. So see, C2H5 OCH2 CH3 ethyl phenyl ether, that is phenotol, and IPSC name is ethoxybenzene. What? Ethoxybenzene. Very important. Okay, you need to see carefully. See, CH3O, okay, single one CH2, single one CH3, and here is also single one CH3. It is called methyl. This is a common name, methyl isopropyl ether, and the IPSC name is 2-methoxypropane. 2-methoxypropanes. Okay. So next one is C6H5O, CH2, CH2, CH, and this is the CH3 and CH3. So it will be, the IPSC name is 2-methyl-butoxybenzene. Okay, and phenyl isopentine ether. Is it? So next one is CH3O, CH2, don't do this. CH2 and OCH3. and there is nothing given the common name, only the given the IPSC name. 2 dimethyl dimethyl methoxyethane, 1,2 methoxyethane. So CH3C H6 H3C CH H3 O C2H5. The IPSC name is 2-ethoxy 1,1-dimethyl hexane. So next we will see, if both alkyl group are the same, the prefix di is added before the alkyl group. Example, C2H5O C2H5 is diethyl ether. Okay. According to the IPSC system of the nomenclature, ether are regarded as hydrocarbon derivatives in which a hydrogen atom is replaced by an OR or C, O capital A R small group, where R and A are represent alkyl and aryl groups respectively. The larger R group is chosen as a parent hydrocarbon. The name of a few ether are given as example in table 7.2. We have seen in this. Yeah, this is the table 7.2, and I already described it. Okay, so I will continue in the next video. So thank you for watching.